Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the language of your iPhone. So if you want to change the display name of your iPhone, so like what the text displays, you can do that by going to the Settings app and selecting General, and then scrolling down to Language and Region. And here we can change the language by just selecting the preferred language to be the one on top. So for example, I want to change it to Spanish. I just drag it to the top, and once you change the language, it's going to ask you to restart your iPhone. So let's do that and just wait for the iPhone to restart. So there we go, the iPhone's now restarted, and as you can see, the language is now Spanish. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.